let's try to do a couple of these together. So looking at A, we have bromine gas, diatomic bromine gas, going to diatomic bromine liquid. So to figure out the delta H for the reaction, we have to do the product minus the reactant. So the heats of formation for the product minus the reactant. So we have liquid minus BR2 gas. So we go up, we search for BR2 liquid, it says 0. Remember, any substance in its natural state has a heat of formation of 0. So bromine, diatomic bromine, if you look it up on the periodic table, it's going to be blue most likely because it's liquid in its standard state, and therefore it's 0. Okay, bromine gas is going to have a heat of formation of 30.91, so really it's 0 minus 30.91 is going to give me negative 30.91 for the first one. For the second one, it's going to be CaO solid plus CO2 gas minus Ca. Put all that in parentheses. Make it a little less ugly here. Okay, so we can plug some numbers in there. Notice there are no coefficients here. It's a 1, 1, and 1. That makes our life a lot easier. I don't need to do any multiplication in there. So I go up and my calcium oxide solid, negative 635.1 plus my CO2 gas plus a negative 393.5 minus my CaCO3 solid minus a negative 'Kay. So when you do the math, and I think you should do it before you look at the answer, if you can pause it, you should get 178.4 out of all that. So make sure you're using your calculator right. And then for the last one, you're just looking up the values as well, right? Be careful with the oxygen, right? Oxygen gas, standard state, 0.